Hello everyone, and let's racing to the James Results toy car review. And let's start our engines. And let's go. And let's race and explore to the James Results toy car review. Let's go. Guys, so I have the long Tomica number 128, and I'm sorry, and I'm back for this video. But sorry, I haven't uploaded a video yet because the upload was error for a long time. But now I'm back for a video, and this one is NAHA Fire Department with Hyper Mist Blower. Whoa! And let's open it. And so we have here the NAHA Fire Department. Whoa, so this one is Isuzu Giga. Wow. Actually, you can open, but it's hard. And you have the mist blower. You can move the blower. The NAHA Fire Department. Whoa. This one is nice, and this one is really nice. Why can't open it? I think I will actually broke it. I will not open it. So this one was Isuzu Giga, and this one is brand new since March 3, 2019 of this. And this one is for fire engine, but with a very Japanese mist blower. You can actually blow it, and this one is nice, but the ramp I can't open it. Oh, why I can't open it? Why I can't open it? Okay, never mind for that. And can understand it's Japanese. And look at this, SW2. This one has inside of them. It's only Sims, like red only, and it's even nice. And this one is the very nice quality. And the next video of this one, now I will review this for right now. See you at the next video, car fans. Guys, I'm back right here, and so let's have a review for right now. But first things first is this thing is Isuzu Giga with the carry of the mist blower. Actually can open, it's just hard to open. And you can put right up there, and you can close it. Then, but last thing, but a thing, a sticker. Yeah, you can actually see this. Wow. But first I'll just use this one. I'll just open right here. Just wait for a moment, I'll stop this video. Hey guys, so I'm back. I already put the rest of the sticker only. Not the other one, it's so hard. And I put this one, but sorry for not aligned because it's so hard to put on it. I have many times to put on this, but I can do it, but it's not aligned. Sorry everyone. Sorry. It's okay if it's not aligned, but I put this sticker right at the front. Here, it's actually nice. And sorry for the big sticker that is not aligned. I'm sorry everyone for not wait. And I'm sorry. And I'm sorry that I'm tired of putting this sticker because so that's why it's not aligned, because I'm tired on putting on this. Sorry everyone, it's not aligned, but that's okay. You can feel like putting the mist blower. It's so smooth. And wait. Just make it's not even tight. Just wait for a moment. Okay, and I also put this sticker at the back. It's a bit not aligned, it's a bit only. And this one is only small. You can spray it even there's a fire. This one is just a high tech of this thing. It is now a generator that you blow. For example, this rabbit bunny, it's overheating inside. Oh no! So you just spray it and it's gone! Yay! Okay, I'm done for that. And this one looks like a water cannon, but it's a mist cannon. This one you can put inside and you close it. Oh, actually it was actually hard to open. This one has inside of this, and I don't know what's inside of there. And look at this. This one is a nice quality of the stroke, and the mist blower, it's nice. And you can use anywhere when there's a fire. Isuzu Giga, this one is new Isuzu Giga, because look at this, brand new, and it has 3 wipers. And in the box, that's actually different. When you look at right there, it is nice, but I didn't put the rest of it because I'm so lazy to put on the sticker of the Tomica sticker. Sometimes it's hard, sometimes it's easy to put on the sticker. And this one is the registration of the number of this truck. It's just a registration number. And look at the design. It's really nice. It's all red. And let's remove this mist blower for a while and let's review for this. And whoa, this one is actually big. And actually that's for the firemen. That's the shelter of them. And this one is the mist blower. Putting the mist blower. And I'll just fix it first. Because I'm so lazy to put on sticker. Why? I'll make it even tight. Okay, that's good. And this one has a nice quality of this one. It's nice. It's really new. That's okay if even it's not aligned. Alright, that's fine. Okay. And it has 2, 4, 6 wheeler of this one only. In a bit medium size of the street. 10 wheeler truck is not allowed, but this one is allowed. It's only 6 only. But it's nice with the mist blower, but this one is available in Japan only. But if you went to Japan, there's lots of classic Tomica, Tomy, Takara Tomy, and more event games. Event games of Tomica, and you get the Tomica. Go to Tomica Expo on Japan. I don't know if there's Yokohama, Japan. I don't know, but never mind. But I see on YouTube that it has a. I think it's Yokohama or Yokohama. I don't know. Okay, comment in our videos if this Yokohama or Yokohama in Tomica Expo. Alright guys, and I forgot something. Is this your favorite long Tomica or my previous long Tomica video? So comment in our video if you like this one. Oops, and last thing, and I need to say goodbye. And don't forget, and that's all for our videos. Please like us and subscribe our videos. See you later, car fans. For everyone, thank you for the toy car review, and I will go now.